Oh, Shigode, it's Sunseb, and I am back for Panda-Frog's Small 1250 giveaway where he's challenged us to pick a small lock. Congratulations, Panda-Frog, on your approach to 1250 subscribers. It's definitely exciting, and great job with your channel and all your content, and a really cool giveaway idea. I like that Swiss edition Berg Wachter. I think that's a cool looking little lock. So what I have here is a really little lock that I found at a bargain shop somewhere. And if you can see, it's got a very small keyway. And there is the bidding on the key. And the challenge with this lock is that you can see my half diamond is basically about half the height, or a little over half the height of the keyway. So there's no way that I'm going to be able to tension even with the smallest bottom of the keyway tensioner. It doesn't even fit in there. So instead of rigging up something else, I am going to pick this movie style using just a pick. I've discovered that if I give a little bit of torque on my pick, not too much, I'm a little bit afraid of breaking it, but I can tension the lock. And since it's so small, I don't really need a whole lot of pick movement to get in at the pins. And I should be able to get this little thing to pop open just like that. So that was my solution to tackle this silly little thing. You can see that the key does in fact work, and that tensioning it without poking at the pins does not open the lock. Now, it is just a little like 3-pin lock. It's, you know, nothing crazy, but that is the smallest lock that I own, and that's the only way I've been able to figure out how to pick it. So once again, Panda-Frog, congratulations, great giveaway, and that's all I have to say. Have a good one.